Alright. Got the gun. Heat gun. But what was the cost? I'm in Waukegan. What even is this place? Where are them gulls? This is the first step. I gotta get this truck running. And, I mean, look at all that though. Man, this camera's cool. Those things out there. Where's that factory? Can't miss it. Oh yeah. That's a truck I got now. Beautiful truck, perfect truck. Love that truck. But it's too much pressure. Alright. I need something I can truly beat on. So, does that sound alright? Hope it does. Give my butt a churro. Oh yeah. No. This ain't for you, bro. Sorry. Tastes real good. Shoot. Just look at that. There we go. That works. It's hot as hell. Shit. Alrighty. Not milky today. Got some metal in there. Whatever. I'll live. Hey, let's go, dude. The oil filter was just a little tricky to get off. Oh, yeah, that's nice. Okay.